Age range, recommended for ages 15 months plus. Weight limit, holds up to 50 pounds. Secure design, features 2 attached guardrails. Mattress size, uses a standard crib mattress, sold separately. Quality craftsmanship, sturdy wood construction. Ideal size, assembled dimensions, 30.25 width by 55.75 length by 23.5 height. Certifications, JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by ASTM. Top reviews from the United States. Really cute bed. My granddaughter loved her bed. It is made for a regular crib mattress. It is not for a twin bed. Perfect for when your little one starts trying to climb out their crib. Trust me, back in 1976 my little sister did and broke her leg. So as soon as my granddaughter began her trying to do her escape routine, we bought her this. For the price, ours fabulous, well made, low to the ground. I hope yours enjoys it as much. She escapes faster now, but I'm not worried her falling down from so high.